Pigeons are not ordinary birds. They carry a secret compass within them. For centuries, humans have relied on pigeons to carry messages across long distances. But how do they always find their way home? Pigeons rely on more than just sight. They sense invisible forces guiding them. Scientists discovered that pigeons can sense the Earth's magnetic field. They combine this magnetic sense with visual landmarks. By reading both landmarks and the Earth's magnetic signals, they stay on course. Even in cloudy skies, pigeons can find their direction with amazing accuracy. Some pigeons can travel hundreds of kilometers and still return home. They instinctively adjust their path when encountering new obstacles. They remember landmarks and magnetic signals together to navigate. Young pigeons learn the routes from older, experienced birds. Their precise navigation leaves scientists amazed at nature's design. This magnetic ability makes pigeons one of nature's best navigators. Researchers continue to study how these birds perceive the invisible forces around them. Next time you see a pigeon in the sky, remember it might be following its secret compass.